But first, the TTC has announced a new service aimed at improving safety for those on the subway.
Teams of crisis workers will be available 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, as part of a pilot project. CTV's Allison Hurst is live tonight with more. Allison.
Nathan, the pilot program will see care workers available on TTC Line 1 24/7, and they'll be able to respond to any safety and security concerns reported by riders.
TTC takes your safety very seriously.
To bolster safety, 3 teams of Toronto Community Service crisis workers are going to be embedded in 3 TTC stations, ready to respond to riders in crisis.
These highly trained mental health workers like Lassar will be stationed at Spadina, Union, and Bloor and Yonge stations and will be deployed as needed to help along the U shape of Line 1.
They'll be available 24/7, and though officials encourage riders to use the Safe TTC app or call 211 to report any concerns, the TTC is still working on making self-service available across the entire system.
75% of the entire system, TTC system, has self-service. And hopefully by 2026, everyone will get it.
The program will cost $1.8 million per year, but $540,000 for the rest of this year.
TTCCS crisis workers are trained mental health professionals who provide mobile, in-person mental health supports, connections to services, and post-crisis follow-up support.
Most riders we spoke with agree changes are needed to make them feel safe.
I think that definitely could help. No matter what resource you have, if you're standing right next to that person, there's really no control.
Good if the aim is to help people having a hard time.
But City Councillor Brad Bradford says it falls far short of what's needed.
We need more of a presence of transit police officers and special constables. That has to be part of the solution, and unfortunately this doesn't include that.
Toronto's police chief says officers will still respond to dangerous situations.
This pilot reflects what we're talking about in the sector, certainly in the Toronto Police, and that is that mental health is health and should be treated that way, first and foremost.
The mayor will bring an item to the October 8th council meeting outlining the pilot project in more detail. And TTC officials say again that any of those concerns can be reported through the Safe TTC app, also by calling 211, and of course you can also go straight to a TTC staff member and report it to them directly. The pilot project gets underway November 15th. Reporting live, I'm Allison Hurst. Michelle, back to you.
Thank you, Allison.